Hi guys, my name is Storm, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy a single composition from one project to another in After Effects. So I don't want to copy all of the compositions, I just want this one. In order to do that, go to File, Dependencies, Collect Files, and in the drop-down menu, select 4 selected comps. Make sure that the Reduce Project box is checked and click Collect. This will now create a folder with the copied composition in it. Now, just save it any way you'd like, and the first half is done. We're going to open the other project now, and to speed up this video, I'm going to make the assumption that you already know how to do that. Once there, we're going to import the composition, so go to File, Import, File again, and locate the folder that was just created. Select the .aep file and click Import. And that was it. You should now have your copied composition in a folder inside your other project. Thank you so much for following along. If this video was of any help to you, please help me out by leaving a comment, liking the video, and maybe even subscribe if you want to stay up to date with my content. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.